Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm tripping mushrooms. I thought you were like legit a towel.
Huh? What are you doing? I just have like a terrible flu going on, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so you fucking sneeze all over the back.
But I can't control it.
Have the flu?
I can't control it.
Yeah, you can. You got to do a better job for me, okay? All right. Thanks.
I'm sorry,
Appreciate
it. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My nose is fucked up. I'm sorry.
I don't give a fuck, bro. Oh my god.
Oh.
Dude.
Did I get you?
Holy shit, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay, dude.
Oh.
Dude, what the fuck, dude?
Oh.
Fucking sneezed all over me, man.
Did I? Oh my god.
Fuck, bro.
I'm sorry, I have the flu.
How was that about?
No, my bad.
Oh. Oh.
What are you doing, dude?
My bad,
Right
man.
up to my back and did that on purpose.
No, I really
Yeah,
can't
you
control.
did. Seen you do it. Your buddies are right there, I guess, huh?
Do you have like wipes?
No, I don't.
Can I like use your shirt
No,
real
you
quick?
can't.
Let me just help.
Touch me.
Do you have wipes though?
No. Go buy your own wipes. Touch me. You will be in trouble.
Bro, I think he's snitching.
They're walking around sneezing.
Don't be filming people in the store.
Hey.
Don't be filming people in the store. Here, I could send you this footage if you want to.
That's all right. I got it on my own. So. That's the sneezer right there. Walks around sneezing on people and then wants wiped. Wants to wipe it on your shirt.
2 sneezers.
Can I use your shirt?
Here, I'll get your face. I got both their faces if you guys need the footage. Just let me know. Just let me know if anything.
Try it. Be careful. He'll sneeze on your face and get you all wet.
What do you mean?
This guy, he did it to me. Did it to me too.
Sneeze? What do you mean?
Yeah. Just that. Sneeze and get you all wet and all over you.
On you?
Yes, and him too.
Why didn't you just go to the bathroom and get a Kleenex, bro?
I asked for
Go
them.
home. Go to the hospital. Get some help.
Can I use your shirt real quick? Just to.
You're an asshole.
Sir, tell me the store. Okay. I'm asking you to leave the store.
Okay. I'm gonna buy this basketball.
Huh? Is that a mic?
It's a big ball like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a big ball. This is expensive though.
Like the mic is used for porn. That's why it's like that. It's a ball.
Why do you need like a
Because
ball?
it all has to do with like circumference and volume and like surface area.
Oh,
For
really?
like porn when you're like filming. It just captures like the loud noises and stuff. Funny. Smell it.
I don't
Trust me,
wanna
smell
find
it. Smell it.
I don't want to find it.
Alright. Can you smell it? Oh, fuck. I thought this was like a movie. Okay, take care.